and there is no flash photography allowed during our ceremony. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome to the Nasdaq stock market. My name is Anna Sakalis, Director of the Market Intelligence Desk here at Nasdaq OMX. Today we're extremely delighted to have LPL Financial with us today during the opening bell. For additional comments, please help me welcome to the podium member of our senior management, Nelson Griggs.
Well, good morning, everyone. We're extremely pleased to welcome Robert Moore, LPL Financial President and Chief Operating Officer, and John Moniger, Executive Vice President, Advisory Brokerage Consulting Services to the Nasdaq stock market. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to the numerous financial advisors joining us here today, right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get ready to ring today's opening bell. Good round of applause. Well, LPL Financial joined the Nasdaq family with a highly successful IPO in November of 2010. LPL Financial exhibits a passion for growth, and their vision and industry leadership continues to inspire us all. Through its integrated technology and a suite of customized services, LPL Financial enables advisors to focus on creating personal and long-term client relationships that are the foundation to turning life's aspirations into realities. As the nation's largest independent broker-dealer, a top RIA custodian, and a leading independent consultant of retirement plans, LPL Financial is an enabling partner to more than 13,000 financial advisors and approximately 685 financial institutions. Last month, LPL Financial received a Digital Marketer of the Year award for 2012 in recognition of outstanding marketing support delivered to financial advisors served by the company. LPL Financial represents what it truly means to be a Nasdaq-listed company: a visionary, a game changer, and an innovator. Those who dream to do more. Nasdaq is honored to be your partner and to bring your bold plans to life. Now, please join me in welcoming LPL Financial Executive Vice President of Advisory Consulting Services, John Moniger, to the podium. Come on up, John.
I'm excited to be here today to recognize the thousands of LPL Financial advisors we serve and to highlight the objective, conflict-free investment guidance they provide to millions of Americans. As independent financial advisors, these entrepreneurs are a vital part of the lives of the clients they serve and the communities where they work. Whether helping parents save for a child's college education, aiding small business owners in protecting and growing their companies, or ensuring couples approaching retirement have the resources to live out their financial dreams, LPL Financial advisors are committed to knowing their clients on a personal level and to working closely with them to help them prepare for whatever life may hold. LPL Financial advisors are more than just financial professionals. They're also friends, neighbors, community leaders, and volunteers in the cities and towns where they live and work. These relationships give them an uncommon understanding of their clients' needs and goals, making them among the most trusted and reputable in the industry. Together, LPL Financial and the advisors we support have a phenomenal opportunity to serve the growing number of individuals who need objective and personal guidance. It's an exciting time for our business, and we share in our advisors' mission to help them realize their client dreams. Because we share this mission, we're committed at the highest levels of the firm to creating a strong and dynamic business that meets the needs of our advisors and enables them to build and grow these client relationships. I'd now like to invite Robert Moore, President and COO of LPL Financial, to the podium to say a few words. Robert is one of our firm's greatest advisor advocates and is responsible for a range of services that supports this substantial growth. Robert?
Thank you, John. LPL Financial is proud to partner with financial advisors across the country to enable them to focus on what they do best, create the personal, long-term client relationships that are the foundation for turning life's aspirations into financial realities. This has been our singular focus since our inception more than 40 years ago. At LPL Financial, helping advisors establish successful, independent practices has always been at the heart of our mission. With offices in Boston, San Diego, and Charlotte, LPL Financial is a leading diversified financial services company and the nation's largest independent broker-dealer. We are also an enabling partner to a range of banks and credit unions, as well as broker-dealers at leading financial services companies. Whether supporting a financial advisor, a program manager at a financial institution, or a broker-dealer using our customized clearing services, LPL Financial enables our customers to create and grow profitable businesses by providing them with the services and tools to meet the needs of their clients. At LPL Financial, we believe that objective financial guidance is a fundamental need for everyone. Our advisors' guidance is in more demand than ever before. As one of the more than 2,500 employees at LPL Financial dedicated to supporting these advisors in the important work that they do, I am proud to represent our firm in thanking each of you for the crucial role you play in your clients' lives. And I'm excited to join you today as we mark the opening of the day's trading on the Nasdaq exchange. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Robert. And Robert, John, I'd like to present you with today's opening crystal in celebration of the event today, and for you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Here we go. John?